Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore how to easily switch between microphones on Windows 11. Whether you have multiple headsets, external mics, or built-in laptop microphones, this guide will help you select the one you need for calls. First, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This will open the main Settings menu. Next, in the Settings window, click on the System section. Click on Sound to access all audio-related settings. Next, scroll down until you reach the Input section, where you will see all available microphones connected to your computer. Then, choose the microphone you want to use, and it will immediately become your default input device. Managing your audio input properly ensures better sound quality and smooth communication. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.